Hi, meet again. So this topic is topic 4, which is Introduction to Project Management. So in this topic, you will learn on how to effectively run the project by knowing to plan the project or the event. At the end of the day, what you are going to create, your output will be a complete Gantt chart for a project. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to plan a project from scratch, step by step, by creating a complete Gantt chart for a project. Want to know more about the Gantt chart? Wait till we learn the lab practice. Hi, I'm Madam Yo-Yo from UITM. If you are struggling with how to plan your event or your project, through this video, we'll actually walk you through what you need to do so you can effectively plan and run the project. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do when plan a project from scratch is to effectively run the project. So we are going to start with the terminology of the project management. Project management is the process of planning, organizing, and managing tasks and resources to accomplish a defined objective, usually with constraint on time, resources, or costs. Project consists of three major phases, which are build the plan, track and manage the plan, and close the project. What does it mean, a project itself? Project is a temporary endeavor. It has a defined beginning and end. It's undertaken to make particular goals and objectives. It usually to bring out about beneficial change or added value. Project management terminology. First of all, you need to know what does it mean by project manager. Project manager is an employee who plans and organizes the resources necessary to complete the project, like a leader. Resources are required to carry out the project tasks such as people, equipment, facilities, funding, or anything else capable of definition, usually other than labor, required for completion of a project activity. Risk. Uncertain event or condition that if it occur has a positive or negative effect on the project objective. Any event, any project has a risk, right? Project scope. The work that needs to be accomplished to deliver a product, service, or result with the specified features and functions. Quality. The standard of something as measured against other things of a similar kind. When you are going to use the Microsoft project especially, you will got to learn about the terminology in the Microsoft project. The first one that you are going to learn is milestone. A milestone is a reference point marking a major event in a project and used to monitor the project progress. Any task with zero duration is automatically displayed as a milestone. Phases. Group of related tasks that completes a major steps in a project. Tasks. An activity that has beginning and an end. Subtask, a sub-activity that has beginning and end. WBS, or what we call as work breakdown structure, is hierarchical list of the project phases, tasks, and milestone. Predecessor, a task whose start or finish date determines the start or finish date of its successor task. Successor, a task whose start or finish date is driven by its predecessor task. Start and finish date, an activity start date versus an activity finish date. In Microsoft Project, there are four kinds of common dependency, which are start to start, finish to start, start to finish, and finish to finish. So what is a Gantt chart? So this is the illustration on how the Gantt chart actually can be produced by using the Microsoft project. So the pioneer of the Gantt chart is basically the name of the founder is Henry Gard. And he found that the project management technique, which is a graphical visualization of the project that displays each task as a horizontal bar. The length of the bar corresponds to the duration of the task. The purpose of the Gantt chart is to graphically display the task durations. So, how to set up the project? What you need to do is first, you need to have the Microsoft project of any kind of version. But I do advise for you guys to have Microsoft project version 2010 onwards. What you need to do is to start a new file, designate a project start and finish date, and enter general project information. So in this case, Microsoft project is designed exclusively to manage resource usage and project scheduling. Even you know that might happen if nothing change. The project will keep track of the progress of your tasks, figure out how much each of your resources is spent on your project, and easy to communicate the status of your project. So Microsoft Project is designed exclusively to manage resources usage and project scheduling. So it helps you to define, to organize, to tracking, and to communicate info about the project. The rest you can find by completing your hands-on exercise. So what you need to do after this is to complete your lab exercise. And once you have completed your hands-on exercise, it's time for step 3 to understand the benefit of the project management. The first one is to better understanding of our project goals. The second, better understanding of project tasks, duration and schedule, dates and costs. Third, more organized and streamlined way to manage the many details of a project. More accurate and reliable project status information. And more efficient use of project resources. Better communication between management, the project manager and others. Faster response to conflicting project goals. Greater awareness of project progress, faster project completions, lower project costs, and fewer project failures. There you have it. In just few steps, you can actually plan your own project from scratch. If you don't have any kind of Microsoft project, you can also install, and there are its description in my YouTube channel to actually get a trial version of Microsoft Project 2019. Thanks for watching. See you again.